A fire broke out at Salim Mugabe Central Hospital in Harare on Saturday, damaging a storeroom that housed some records. Nzanapinda mashoko avhundutsa vanhu. Panguva ine parikuonekwa kunzi pane matenda ari kusekuleta, ari kupiwa zvigananda. Nawo kuchizongonzwa kunzi the Salim Mugabe Central Hospital panguva ino yachizongotsva ende moto wangu attack ukati wangobroka out kune storeroom yanga ine marecords inodiwa subscribe or like on the bell kuti mina muna mubudanyi kwa mchinzi. The storeroom is located above the hospital's intensive care unit at the facility, also known as Harare Central Hospital or Gono Hospital. The Zimbabwe Republic Police confirmed the incident, saying no injuries or fatalities were reported. In a statement posted on ZRPC official express, the police said the Zimbabwe Republic Police confirmed a fire incident that occurred at Salim Mugabe Hospital today at around 10 minutes to 12 hours, which means 11:50 hours. Emergency protocols were swiftly activated and all patients in the affected areas were evacuated. No injuries or fatalities have been reported. Investigations are currently underway to determine the cause of the fire. Acting Assistant Chief Fire Officer for Harare City Council, Moses Bvuma Varanda, told ZBC News that the blaze was successfully contained before it could spread further. Harare Mayor, His Worship, Councillor Jacob Mafume visited the hospital and addressed the media regarding the fire incident. Mafume said, "We are currently at one of the buildings within the hospital, specifically on the rooftop. This location has been used as a storage area for institutional records, of which, according to law, all public institutions must keep permanently. These records were placed near or under solar panels, about 10 panels in total. Some of the records were also stored in the lab." Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino mhuri yeZimbabwe. Imimi savagari munyika yeZimbabwe, chimbotiudzai kuti munoti kudii pamusoro pemoto uyu uri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa this fire has broke out aiwa in this area and wanguya ukangoataka marecords aiwa epa this hospital. Pina comment section medu unzi mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Musakanga no subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.